Right. Now, if you're wondering how to use Scratch, I'll show you the process, how you can go to the website and how you can download the software for free. So what you'll initially do is, so this is how the Scratch platform initially looks like. This is the graphical user interface, and we will be working through it. But if you're wondering how to download it in the first place, let me help you with that. Um, you'll have to go to So what you'll do is you'll initially you'll type in on Google Scratch, just making sure. I'll in Google Scratch, and once you have done that, go to their website, the main website, and you would see over here, um, like how the platform looks like. Okay, about Scratch for parents education. There's a lot of information about there. Okay, then the next thing that you would be doing is just see. Okay, how about we do this? Um, download Scratch. So you go over there, okay, and then what you would do is you would definitely choose if you're using operating system. Most of the time you'll have a Windows operating system, so it's okay. So let's just go for this one. Supposedly you want to go for this one. So this is an older version and this is the latest version. So you can do is you can download one of those old versions. It won't be a problem. So how about you go to this one? Click on this one. Over there, it's very simple. You go over here, and then you would see that they would ask you which type of operating system are you using. Definitely, using Windows, so I'll go for download over here, and then it would just download over here. Give it some time, and as you can see, it's installing. Okay. Uh, Okay, so like right now I'm not downloading it because it's already downloaded in my computer, so I wouldn't worry about it, but this is how you would be basically downloading Scratch uh, onto your uh, computer. And once it's downloaded, the graphical user interface would look like this. This is how the platform basically would look like. Okay, and I would be walking you through this one shortly.